Right, what is up, my people? Second time recording this because the old computer crashed, but we're back. Anyways, um, it's been a while, been 2 weeks because Bitcoin's decided it wants to be boring and do not a lot at all. But we'll see what we got to work with here. So I've just marked out this is like a pivot low to the pivot high, and this is the first time we're sort of changing fairly high time frame market structure here, taking these lows. But if we bring it out on the daily, it's more just a wick. So if we get some follow for a volume here, which we've not seen yet, which I'm waiting for, this could get a push back up. But we're relying on this volume at the minute, which we're not seeing. Just got back into this weekly range. Looks like we're right at the low of it now. Got this weekly range here. Resistance, broke through. See if we can hold this as support. Now my two key levels while we're up here is this point of control. How many times I've seen we sort of come up to a level, form a range, change that market structure, swing failure that point of control, and continue down. Seen that many times in crypto. And a higher level to the upside is, if we bring on the key levels, we've got this weekly above these highs here. So this is definitely something that come up, hit this weekly, get a nice reaction off. So they're the two key levels. Mainly for this point of control here, I want to see what sort of reaction we get there for a potential short. Levels to the downside are, if we keep losing this week, if we start losing this weekly range here, or come up, tap this point of control, my next level to the downside, this 23,100 monthly level, I like how it lines up with this golden pocket from this high to this low. Whether we just get a reaction like a higher low or a lower high, sorry, and continue down, yet to be seen, or an actual continuation of the trend, yet to be seen. But obviously we have got these highs around 25,000, but I said that in my last video, that's, for me, it's a crowded trade, and I'm just not the biggest fan of it. Like, I imagine maybe we get something like a through the level, back above, get people bullish, and then we'll see this monthly level around 23,000. That'll be my ideal scenario. But yeah, because Bitcoin's been a little bit fucking boring recently, I've been going over some high time frame levels. These are some really high time frame levels. So if we bring up the key levels, level I really like. Obviously, these are some very high time frame levels for the future. But a level I really like is a 50,800. If we take this off a log here, lines up really nicely with the golden pocket not on log. I really like that level. Anyways, if we not lock, I want to hide these. Not alright, we'll fucking leave them there then. We'll hide this. But yeah, another level I was looking at, if we lose this 15,000 and we continue down, I like this 9,000 level, taking these lows along here. But the main reason I was looking, because if I'm looking at this as like a 5 waves down, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to an A, B, and we are looking like a ABC correction. I would really like to see. Obviously, we've got this yearly range here. We'll take out the yearly range low into this weekly level. It's just a massive level. This would be where I'd say it's time to load up on the Bitcoin. Obviously, this is ages away, potentially not even a thing. But yeah, just something I got bored because Bitcoin's being boring, and I was looking at some higher time frame stuff. But yeah, so point of control just above around 28,000. and if not, I'm looking back to that monthly at around 23. A lot of this is just noise at the minute. So if we move over to Ethereum, we was looking at Ethereum the other week. I think we was when we was back here. Yep, because I said I was looking for this daily level. I took the long, got the move up to the range highs. It was also golden pocket retracement, and we continued moving back down. Now we are holding this daily level still, but I don't like how we've came out of the range, come back in to the top. Looks like we're probably going to start moving back down. Now my next level is this weekly at 15,690. That is a drop of around 14%, and that is about the same on Bitcoin to this monthly level, around 14%. Now I like how they line up fairly even, so that is something I'm definitely looking out for. If we start moving down here on Bitcoin and start hitting this monthly level while we're doing the same with Ethereum on this weekly, I'll be looking for the longs. Other than that, if you want to get faster updates, come follow the old Twitter. Losing followers, help. KingNatTA, just come follow that up. Get faster updates, and I'll hopefully see you a lot sooner in the next video. Let's see if Bitcoin can get moving here.